Yeah, this is what I just found delivered today. Yeah, the bad border just arrived after 6 months, and this was just ordered in what was that, in June, and just delivered today. Today is 7th of December 2021. That's roughly 6 months. Just keep waiting, keep patient, and then finally the bad border arrived. So let's see what we got. Wow. Okay. Came with the man. BobcatMiner. Okay. And this. So this is the box. Wow. So this is the bad board that does the job. Okay. I hope I can get it open with my one hand. Let me take the other one here. Try to open the coating. Yeah. Okay. Careful. The wait is so long. Okay, eventually. Alright. And that's it. Okay. This is the back where we can see very well. Okay. Antenna cable. Alright. This is the cable. So the screws. And yep, this is the base of the antenna. And this is it. Wow. So small like this. I thought it's bigger. The way I see it's very big. I thought it was quite big and tall than this. It's amazing. And once it does the job, that's the most important thing. Wow. Okay, thank you Bobcat for sending my miner to me, and let's get it to work. I know it involves some technicalities which I have to follow, and I hope everything works accordingly. Alright. Okay. It's quite interesting. Finally it arrived. So long I waited for 6 months. Alright. Catch you later. Bye.